Imagine scanning a QR code but not with your phone, not even with a microscope. A QR code so small that only an electron microscope can see it. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is real. Scientists have just created the world's smallest QR code, and it's officially a world record. This tiny QR code is smaller than most bacteria. In fact, thousands of these could fit inside the width of a human hair. You can't see it with your eyes. You can't see it with normal microscopes. Yet, it works perfectly. So, how did they do it? Instead of paper or plastic, the data was carved into ceramic material, the same kind of material used in high performance tools that survive extreme heat and pressure. Why ceramic? Because today's hard drives and servers fail in just a few years. But ceramic can last hundreds, even thousands of years without electricity, without cooling. Here's the shocking part. On just one sheet of paper, this technology could store more than 2 terabytes of data. That means our photos, videos, and knowledge could survive far into the future just like ancient stone carvings. A QR code so small you can't see it, but powerful enough to change the future of data forever.